Welcome to SatARTDays, where I do art. Today, since it is close to Thanksgiving, today is the November day, I am going to make a classic hand turkey. We're going to start it off simple, guys. Alright, so we're making a turkey today. Gobble gobble. Today we're going to be working with our Prismacolor color pencils. And we got these two markers that I found. There's a gold one and there's a black one for some lining. It has the thick tip and a thin tip. So that's what we're going to be working with today. I'm not going to do just the hand. We're going to try to make it in a nice Thanksgiving festive environment. I know that Thanksgiving has become more controversial these days because, the whole pilgrims, raping and pillaging everything. So we are going to do our best to just make it festive and not think so much about it. You know what? Actually, I think we're going to make this a little bit dark just for fun. So we're going to start off by tracing the hand. Yes, I'm ashy. I just did dishes. We're going to spread out nice and wide here. We'll get the turkey and make it a little. And this is going to be the head, so we're going to put our thumb kind of weird. So it looks like a head there. It's going to be a fat turkey. I just realized my hand looks kind of weird. Don't judge me. Alright. We got a pencil here. And we're going to... Oh, I did it weird. I did it wrong. Okay. There we go. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. We're gonna close it up there. Let's take a look. As you can kind of see, we made a little oopsie daisy there, but that's alright. Okay, let's go to the next step. So let's say we're gonna go ahead and outline it. I'm gonna put something under here so that it doesn't. Put something under here so that it doesn't mark through the other side of the rest of my notebook. Now that we have a nice under surface, we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice trace with the thin side. I'm gonna start in a weird place here. I want to keep it kind of genuine. My fingers are not straight lines. My knuckles are pretty knobby, so we're just gonna leave it in there because we don't like to be fake around here. My finger doesn't have that dent in it, but okay. Boom. Boom, boom. Look at that. Beautiful outline. Ready for some turkeyness. So we gotta give the little turkey some legs. So we're gonna give him some little leggies here. And we're just face him this way. Oh, that's a little weird looking. What way is this turkey facing? I don't know. So I'm gonna put a line here. So you got his little feet there. Got a little shadow, because we try to be a little bit fancy here. I'm trying to up my SatARTDays, so that's what we got for them. And let's see. We'll go. So we'll go ahead and we're just gonna keep moving along here. Art has no real answers, but it also has all the answers. All right. Let's see. I don't know. Let's just put a comma here. In the background. We'll put a turkey here. And we'll put a cornucopia thingy. I am not a well-seasoned artist. I am a baby artist. So we'll just put a bowl here. Okay. I'm gonna put the chairs. Now we'll put some little pilgrims over here. Actually, we're gonna make them Native Americans because, you know, those were the people actually doing all the stuff and things. We're gonna make them like little sticky people. And this guy's gonna be a gal. Give her some bangs. And these are like braids. And they are like ready to go with a fork and a knife. And this one, he's got the big butcher knife. It's not a tomahawk, it's a butcher knife. Okay. So this is what we got so far. And I'm just gonna he'll have a bag. He has a bag. He's ready to catch this turkey. Okay, so we got the table, they're ready and set. And there we got the ready to eat. They already got a turkey, but you know, we're gonna get another one here. Because one is never enough. I could eat a whole turkey by myself, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna have this turkey like with his eyeball like looking back like he's like, oh no, they're gonna come eat me. And then here's a feathers, classic feather. Okay. I don't really know how their tails end on their butts. You know, I've never looked up turkey anatomy, so I don't know. Might be really highly inaccurate. So yeah. So that's like the butt. You know, I'll give it a few more feathers. Let's see here. Alright, and I know it looks like a hot mess right now, but you know, that's the point, is to be artistic. And sometimes art is messy. Okay? Even when you're not using something like paint. Let's see. There we go. I feel like that's a little bit. Yeah, I'll put a little one right here. Okay. I don't really like it, but we're gonna give it some outline and see how it goes. Alright, so that's those guys. There's the table. We'll color it when we get back.